What's going on over here?
Just peeling stickers. You wanna try?
No thanks. Looks like you got it handled.
It's pretty easy. So I was never a fan of these stickers, so I think it looks better without it.
Yeah. And then looks like we got some buffing to do.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Just peeling some stickers. We're just taking the decals off the boat, or Kevin is. It's a free weekend. We had some rain the last couple of days, but yeah, we just wanted to get these decals off. I mean, they're all right, but I think a all black sleek boat looks even better. So that's what we're doing this weekend, and then we are heading. We're gonna head back out to Lake Paris, and May's kind of an odd month. We just got yeah, May's kind of an odd month because we just got other things on the calendar. But yeah, this is just a quick update on what's going on. Other than that, yeah, you'll see it back out on the water at Lake Paris again, just so that we can get our just get a dip in the water, So yeah, Kevin's gonna just keep at this, and I'll come back out a little later once
She's gonna come back out to clean all this glue off.
Oh no, I don't think so.
I'm doing the hard work here.
Oh, you can smell the glue.
Mm-hmm.
I think what is it? We started taking this off was because the boat hit the dock or something. It scratched, and then we ended up just started peeling stuff away.
Yeah, the dock was in the way.
Yeah, the dock was in the way. Yeah, we'll get this all cleaned up, and then I'll show you guys once it's all done.
I think it's gonna look great.
Yeah. But then Kevin was showing me something that like you could put something on here, like the marine mats. Yeah, the deck mats. We're gonna look into that. That'd be cool because then like you don't have to worry about the dock being in your way.
Right. So we're definitely gonna have to get a buffer.
Look into that.
You see the difference right here. And plus, remember we ceramic coated this?
Yeah, so this is gonna have to be like redone with something else, some other product. They have so many ceramic coating products out there now.
Definitely update it anyways.
Yeah. So. Well, yeah, that's just what we got going on this weekend, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Yeah. Have a great weekend.
Yeah. Hey, Jay. Yeah, Jay's sunbathing. His usual routine. All right, so look at this side, guys. It's all black. Looks like so. Okay. Kevin's over here polishing up with a rigged polisher. Good enough. So you have to, because he took off stickers, guys. He took some alcohol and got all that sticky stuff off, so you don't see all the those lines right now. So if you guys have been following us, we did ceramic coat the boat, but because we used the alcohol to take off the sticky stuff, we took off the coating. We found another solution to re-ceramic coat it. We've been watching Pan the Organizer, so Kevin just hit it with this stuff.
Well, it's not like a permanent solution, like a actual ceramic coating, but
we're gonna try it out.
Because we saw that on Pan the Organizer, and he did a comparison and all that, and then he really liked the results. So we're like, you know what? For $8 something?
$9, yeah.
$9. We're like, you know what? We're gonna give it a shot just to see how it is. And it does have a ceramic inside of it, so
they have a bunch of different, if it's at your local Walmart, that's where we got it. There was a bunch of different ones where you do it without water, you do it for your interior. This is the one that we picked. It was Minute Wax. So we're just gonna hit it on the boat because we took off, any coating that we did with the alcohol. And I mean, we're gonna see how it goes, but really quick. So Kevin did do this side. The other side, just to give you guys an idea of what we took off, the stickers. We're gonna leave this side, guys. Whoever has OCD right now, sorry. This is what we could get done this weekend.
If you have OCD, just make sure you come back for the next video and they'll be complete.
Yeah, so we're just gonna test out this side first to see what we like, and then work on the next side. But yeah, so one side is nice, and the other side
looks really good. Actually.
Oh yeah, just
the
black.
stickers kind of made it look kind of.
So let me circle back. Let me circle back around. So we're gonna be heading out with just one side black and one side with the decals still on it. So this is just to give you an idea of what the decals were looking like before.
Let's try some
And
of this
then
on here.
So you're gonna put it on the coating right now. But yeah, guys, is so we'll be headed out next weekend. We'll see you on the water. Other than that, we were just messing around and seeing what we could do. There's really not much. I mean, soon we'll probably need to, I think after the season we're gonna have to check out some more like the impeller stuff, or
yeah, we're gonna
some engine, not engine stuff, but yeah, that's another video. But other than that, we're just doing some, you know, cosmetic stuff right now. Nothing major. Yeah, we do want to put some step. Yeah, some trailer work.
A step right here.
Yeah. Other than that, Jay's just getting some sun while it's still out, because sometimes it's been raining. It's been kind of a weird weather out here. So he's enjoying it. But yeah, no, this stuff's pretty cool. I mean, so far.
I mean, this is not ideal for the boat.
No.
Our boat, we're currently using Bling products, and it works wonderful. So, but this, we're just trying it.
Yeah.
Just to see how it goes.
So yeah, we'll just we'll continue, and we'll see you guys on the water next weekend. Not too bad. All right, guys, we're back at Lake Paris. We're just setting up in the parking lot. Here's the boat with no decal, and we also added the little trailer guards. So this is gonna help us a lot. I mean, I can back down, I can see the trailer now, and for Kevin to get in, it's gonna help him, you know, the boat's not gonna sway as much. So these guards are gonna help. Other than that, guy, we're back out on the water, or we will be back out on the water. See you in the water, guys. All right, really quick, guys, we're out on the water, and it did rain this month, in the month of May. There's literally no beach spots here at Lake Paris. Like, that's where we were with Jay when we took him. There's no more beach because there's so much water. It just, the beaches are all sucked up. So it's kind of like slim pickings out here if you're trying to find a beach spot. I know the island, there's nothing. So just FYI. But other than that, it's gonna be a good weekend. The weather's really nice right now. All right, guys, we are at camp.
And Kevin's cleaning again.
This time our boat. Just wanted to give you guys a quick idea what the hookup sites look like. We're not here with the RV, but here we are. It's like a side-by-side parking type of situation, so you do have to detach the boat. One of the reasons why we like the non-hookup site is because we don't have to unhitch, and just parking into these spots, it's pretty narrow. There's still some people over there like trying to detach their rigs as well. Oh, they're all done, but this is a good idea of how all the space that you're getting over here. So the hookups and all that stuff. You guys can see a bunch of other RVs here. But other than that, look at this. Look at this. Kevin's just wiping this down. So this is what the turtle wax ceramic coating. Not too bad. And then the other side, of course, with the decal still on, guys. She's looking a little, Kevin wiped this down and she's looking a little rough. So we definitely got to get the sticker off on this side. But I mean, other than that, it's a good lake day. These posts helped a lot, right?
Oh yeah, definitely definitely with the wind too.
Oh yeah. So yeah, it was windy coming
shot,
in.
too.
Yeah, it was definitely windy coming in. So once Kevin got on, like these guys, it's like it just bumped him back into place because he's always having issues getting the trailer straightened out. But other than that, guys, it's a good lake day. We're just getting everything cleaned up here. Just gonna enjoy the rest of the weekend. It was just a one-nighter, and we'll see you guys
In a few weeks.
yeah, we'll see you guys in a few weeks. So yeah, other than that, guys, thanks for joining us this weekend for another weekend hangout. We'll see you guys next weekend.
See you guys. Laters.